He did?
He came. And he came. Look at what he did.
Wow, he left a lot of stuff.
Look what he bought me.
Wow!
A backpack for my things to go in. It's my Horsey backpack. And he bought the other thing for me too, right here. Go with it. And he eating a bite out of the turkey. He came here and bought lots of presents. And look at a little tiny present for Quincy.
Does that say Quincy on it?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, it does. Wow, Emily.
it is for Quincy.
You're
And,
right.
there's another present for me right here. That's what I told.
Wow.
There's lots of presents for me too. Right here, right here, right here, and everywhere. And he eaten a bite of the turkey. And the reindeers eating a bite of the turkey too.
Let's see the cookie. Can I take a little video of that part? Can you look at it closely? And look, we left more milk than that. He must have drank some milk.
Yeah. Her stuff.
You want to say something?
Hello.
You want to sing a song about Santa?
Santa was a very jolly guy, and he was not so bad of a sheep. Doink, doink, doink.
Hey, did he
doink.
come? Whoa!
He come and he eat a bite of the turkey and some milk.
Oh my goodness!
She was just singing a
And
song.
the